Hi you guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I wanted to do an eyeliner tutorial and just compare two different eyeliners, one of them being the Anastasia Beverly Hills liquid liner, which is a very new one, and also this one that I just received in my BoxyCharm. This is the Hank & Henry Slick With It eyeliner, and the two differences between these liquid liners are this one right here is a pen, which you guys had a lot of comments on my last video for the BoxyCharm on how fast I do my eyeliner. This one here is a liquid liner, so the product is on one end of the liner and then here is the applicator. I like using these eyeliners with very specific looks, and I'm going to show you guys which one is best for the look that I'm wearing right now, which is like a very colorful, shimmery at the lid look. I'm just not going to be saying that one is better than the other because both of these liners are very, very good. I love them both. Ever since I got this one, I've been using it non-stop, and this one is just, I guess we'll get into it more in the video. So if you guys are interested in seeing how I do my eyeliner and how I use these liners, then just keep watching.
No, I'd rather be waking up with you, set up alone in your room, slept with the light on, waiting up for you. I don't wanna be.
As you guys had previously seen in my BoxyCharm video, you guys see me use the Hank & Henry pen. This one works really good and I really, really like it. Since this is a pen, it's very precise and it's very easy to apply, as you guys seen. But I only like using these pen eyeliners whenever I'm doing a very simple look, nothing like this. And the reason for that is whenever I apply this, it's kind of difficult to do it over shimmer shadow because you have to really go over and over it to get that mattifying look. This is not something that I would be using over shimmers. So in this video, I'm going to be showing you guys what I mean by that on one eye, and on the other eye, I'm going to be using an actual liquid liner that is not a pen. So I did pick up the new Anastasia Beverly Hills liquid liner, and I'm just really excited to have this in my makeup collection because I know this works really good over shimmer shadows. And I just want to be very thorough with you guys on how I use my liquid liners. So on this eye, I'm going to be doing my Hank & Henry liquid liner that we just received in BoxyCharm. In case you guys did miss out on my BoxyCharm review, I'm going to go ahead and link it up here for you guys. And by the way, this makeup look is going to be on my Instagram. If you guys don't already follow me on Instagram, I'm going to go ahead and put all my social media handles down below in the description box, so don't forget to check that out. I'm putting my elbows on my makeup table so that I have a very steady hand, and that just kind of helps you control where your eyeliner is going. So I'm going to start off by just doing a line out this way, and whenever I do that, I want you guys to keep in mind not to overthink it, because when you overthink it, that's when you really mess up. So just wing it out and then worry about the rest later. So I love how this eyeliner, since it's very sharp at the end, it helps you give out that really nice sharp wing. You know, I was really excited about my kids going back to school so that I can film during the day, but these fucking airplanes. I need to move. Okay, so once you have your wing right there, you're not going to be starting the next part up here because you want that to stay really sharp at the end. So usually I like to start in here and then bring it in. And I like to bring it all the way in. I know it kind of looks difficult, but with a pen like this one, it's really easy. And now I'm gonna go in here and go over that. So this is what I mean right here. If you guys can see, the shimmer is still showing through this liquid pen liner, and that is the reason I don't like using this eyeliner. For this reason, you're not going to be able to cover it completely. All that shimmer is going to be showing on your eye. So you just have to go back over it and apply a lot of that product in there to get it to cover. It works really good over matte eyeshadows though. Okay, so I still don't like how this is kind of a little bit bent in this area, so I'm gonna go back in.
You got the feeling, the music keeps me singing.
covered up, but the thing with this is that whenever you keep trying to build up on that liner to cover the shimmer, in most cases, liquid liners start to crumble because you're just applying eyeliner over eyeliner over eyeliner. And it just doesn't look as pretty anymore. And also keep in mind, my liner tutorials that you guys see me do on Instagram look a lot faster because I speed up the clips or I edit some parts out, like editing parts that I'm going over and over, like that's completely edited. I want you guys to have a realistic tutorial of me doing eyeliner so you guys don't think that it's super easy, because even till this day, after many years of doing eyeliner, I'm still not perfect at it, okay? So that's as good as this one's gonna get before it starts to crumble. The Anastasia liquid liner is a twist off. On this end it has the applicator. It's also very bendable like the Hank & Henry. And on this part here it contains the product. And I really like this eyeliner because I feel like it lasts longer than a pen eyeliner. Those tend to dry out a lot faster. And that's the reason I picked this one up. But this one is a little bit more time consuming to apply your eyeliner. I'm going to go back over this here so that it covers the shimmer completely. And there you have it. I did this eye already, so I'm going to show you guys how I use the Anastasia Beverly Hills liquid liner on its own. Like I said, this one is a little bit more time consuming because you have to like just keep dipping into the product in order to get the shimmer covered up. So it's very difficult for me to be talking while I'm doing this process, so I'm just going to do my eyeliner and then I'll share with you guys like my thoughts, because I already explained the basics of how I do my wing. So I'm just repeating the same step, except this is a liquid liner. When you say you're feeling lonely. I went a little bit crazy right there because it's kind of difficult to do a tutorial whenever you have like not all eyes on you, because I can't really see you guys, but I'm doing it on camera and like the pressure is really on me to get this wing right, so you know. The pressure is really on you guys as well whenever you're trying to get one eye to match the other, so it's totally normal. We all feel it. You know where to find me tonight. You know where to find me Taking a step back, I'm realizing that this side is so much longer, so let's go back over it. So I think it's just thicker on the end, and that's totally fine, just going back over it. I think I got them to look pretty even. I'm going to go ahead and apply the rest of my face, and then I'll be right back with you guys to show you guys the finished look. Okay, so now that the eyelashes are on, I don't know if you guys can pick this up on camera, but you guys see some of that glue kind of look a little bit white on the lash line. I really like using liquid liners like the Anastasia just to kind of go over that. Just thought I should share that before I move on to applying the rest of my face. Alright guys, and that wraps it up for this video. I hope you guys found this video helpful. When doing an eyeliner tutorial, it's kind of difficult because it just seems so fast and super easy to do when it really is it's just basically keeping a very steady hand and being very like patient, because I know it's not easy to do your eyeliner. Till this day I still struggle, but I've been doing it for so many years and it It just takes a lot of practice, a lot of consistency. Whenever you keep doing something over and over again, you're not going to be getting any worse. You're just going to be getting better. If you're somebody that doesn't do it often because you're scared of how it comes out, that's just going to keep you from learning. My biggest advice to you would be just to stop overthinking it and just go for it, do it, keep practicing, and you'll improve. If you guys do have any questions for me, feel free to comment them down below. I'll be happy to respond back to you guys at my earliest convenience. And yeah, I hope you guys just found this video helpful. If you guys have not already subscribed to my channel, please do so down below, and also turn on post notifications. That's a little bell right next to the subscribe button. That way you're notified every single time that I do have a new video here on my channel. And I'm also going to have a giveaway. I think it should be my next video for the football series that I'm doing. I'm doing football team inspired makeup looks based on the teams that you guys want to see here on my channel. I just like the fact that you guys are engaging in my videos, and that's why I really want to give back to you guys. I'm just going to end the video here now. Thank you guys so much for watching, and hopefully I see you guys in my next video. Bye!